Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about using static in C#. So in this video I'm just going to describe in detail like what is the using static and how we can take advantages of this using static in our C#. So let's get started. So in this video I'm just going to explain you about the using static and what are the advantages of using it. So when we are just using the using statement in our C sharp, so at that time we can use the static keyword in that using statement. So basically we can use the static keyword but not inside the namespace. We need to give the class name also. So when we will just give the static keyword in the class name, then what it will do is that it will provide all those methods as a static, so that no need to write the class name and after the method name every time. So directly you can use the method name and you can pass the parameter as per the methods. So if you are confused, then let me explain you with the example. So here I have just created a sample application. So now here you can see, so this is my using statement. So under this namespace there are like various classes are present. Like if I put a dot here, then you can see like the various classes are present. So now let me just give you a simple thing like how we can use the using statement. So first of all, let me use console dot write line. Till now I have not used the static keyword, so I'm just showing how we can use the static keyword and what is the benefit of using it. So here I'm just giving you the value like this is anything, hello world or anything. Right. So if I run the application, then obviously it will print the hello world. Okay, so now here you can see this console class belongs to the system namespace and this writeLine method belongs to the console class. So now here let's say if I add a static keyword and I will make the console class, I will make this console class as the static one dot console. Alright, so now here it is showing that it does not exist. So let me remove this and also remove the dot. Now what I did is I added the static keyword and I am making this console class as the static one, and under that whatever methods are there, so here I just need to write it. So now the concept is same. So previously I just wrote console.writeLine. Now I'm just writing directly the writeLine. The concept and the output is just the same, but here by using the static keyword we are just removing the console class. So now what happens, so if I run the application, then I will get the same output obviously. Now let's say the region of writing the static is, let's say here just one line of code is present for the writeLine. Let's say 1,000 lines of codes are there, or let's say 10,000 lines of codes are there related to the console.writeLine. So now each time I need to write console.writeLine, and so on. So now in place of doing that, what I did is just I added the static keyword in the console class. Now simply I just need to write the writeLine. So we just save a few seconds of time. And similar to the writeLine, we can use the read or readLine in any of the method. So those are the methods which are present under the console class. We can use it directly. So here you can see like we can use all those methods, whatever it is present under the console class. So this is just I had explained you about one of the example. Now let me just give you another example. So what I am doing, what I am just going to do here is like let me remove the console, and here I am just going to give you the math class. So under this math class, like there are various types of methods are present. So like let's say max. So max is a method, so which is just going to give you the result of like what is the maximum value between the two variables. So here I can give like int also, or anything like 10 and 20, then obviously it will give me the 20 as the maximum value. So the reason is we don't need to write this class each and every time. So the benefit of using this static is like we can make a class as the static, and under that whatever methods are present, so directly we can use that methods, and no need to like use the class name then dot the method name. The reason why I use is because let's say I have a very big project. Under that, let's say 10,000 or like or like 1 million of codes are there in each of the page. Let's say like 5,000 lines of codes are there. Then every time you need to write console dot write line, console dot read line, or math dot max, math dot mean, or math dot power function. So everything. So in place of that, if I use the static one, so directly we can use that methods easily. Now, if you want to see another example, then I can show you with the IO. All right. Sorry, system dot. I'm just going to show you another example like so system.io is the namespace, and under that file is a class, and under the file class there are various types of methods are like, let's say, copy. So directly I can use the copy method. I can use the move method. I can use the move method. Okay. I can use the read method. I can use the write method and everything. So whatever the methods are present under the file class, and as we made it as static, so directly we can use it. So this is the only advantage of using the static one. So directly we can use those methods in our programming language, in our day-to-day programming languages, and like no need to add that class separately. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.